Alright, so just start my day off a little bit earlier than yesterday. A lot earlier than yesterday. So I'm going to go over to Sherwin-Williams and see if they have my clear. They should. They said it's going to be here Monday. I think it's Wednesday today. Or Tuesday. No, I think it's Wednesday. Something like that. But yeah, it's Wednesday. So I'm going to go get the clear and maybe do some stuff with the floor, and then this guy wants to buy like an old air compressor that I have and like one of those heaters, those like torpedo heaters. So that's just two things that I really didn't need, and I threw them up on Facebook Market. So that's going to be good to get rid of them, so I don't have to put them somewhere to store them. And yeah, hopefully, I'm just hoping they have it cleared. So the truck is warming up still, but I mean, it started. It's a little bit cold today, and you can still see snow, but nothing too bad. Okay, so went to Sherwin-Williams. They had the clear, which is awesome. So I'm going to fix that little spot on the floor that was messed up, and hopefully it takes. If it takes, then tomorrow I'll do the recoat the whole floor, which will be awesome. And then, you know, I'm going to go to the shop. Trevor wants to do some angle stuff with the Mustang, so I'm probably going to help him design an angle kit for it. There was, I guess, a pro drifter that designs angle kits, but he, like, I don't know, he didn't want to do anything with, like, a deal, or I don't know what happened, but Trevor's, like, actually wants to design something. So I'm going to design an angle kit for it, and I'm sure they'll be in production, so that'll be kind of cool. So we'll see what happens there. So back at my house, there's the clear. I'm gonna open this one and fix that spot in the spare bedroom. It just needs a little, touch up. I sanded it. Hopefully it takes. I mean, you can see where the wood is discolored. I don't know what it is under there, but I'm just hoping the clear doesn't bubble again. I'll try just patching that, and then if it bubbles, I'll have to sand it back down, and I'll probably have to use acetone or something if it doesn't take. So pretty much that's the only reason I'm coating the floor a second time. I was just going to leave it because the coat was pretty nice on the rest of the floor. I mean, I don't have any complaints into the bedroom. The office looks good. So I mean, I just need to fix that spot, coat the whole floor again, and then hopefully my hinges and stuff will be here soon, or be done soon. Then I can put all the doors and stuff back on, and all the hardware that I had coated back on. And then I could do, well, before that I could do the trim, and I could do like the trim on the bottom of the door. I just have to give that a coat of poly. So not very much left to do. The fireplace, the tile around that, I mean, that's not a big deal. Okay, so I am done with what I wanted to do. I just wanted to do some little touch-up spots, and you know, there was a spot where like some clear puddled up. I sanded it down, and then this spot in here that did something really weird. Looks like it's probably doing it again. So this is pretty much what it did last time, and I'm not exactly sure what's causing this, so that's unfortunate. So it pretty much just does this, and I guess what I thought was purple was probably just the clear not adhering to the wood, so it's kind of like not absorbing, because it shouldn't still be like that. So probably tomorrow it'll be all bubbly. I'm gonna have to come and sand it again. And my plan of attack on this is probably just to sand it down, and I'll just have to hit it with some, either I'll try paint thinner first, and then I'll try acetone. But that's very unfortunate, because I thought I was going to be able to do the second and final coat of clear, but I'm not going to be able to until this is fixed, because when I do the second coat, it'll pretty much blend everything out. But I guess I'll see tomorrow what happens with this. It kind of is disappointing me that it's doing the same thing again. But I guess I'll see tomorrow if If it absorbs in, I'll be happy. If not, I'll just have to figure out what I'm gonna end up doing to resolve the issue. All right, one good thing is the spot I fixed. Well, it really didn't get fixed, but it isn't as bad as it was. So it's smooth almost all the way over here. This still has some stuff going on, but it's not as bad. So I feel like if I sand it down 1 or 2 more times and do the same thing, just apply some more clear to it, I think it will fix itself. Or not fix itself, but like it'll actually, you know, whatever this, or I might just sand it and put some lacquer thinner on it and see if I can pull that stuff out of the wood. Maybe I'll do that. I'll probably just do that because I don't have to keep sanding it. I mean, it is a lot better. It's not as bad as it was, but I also didn't put as thick of a coat of clear on it. So yeah, maybe I'll do that. I'll probably just give it a sand really quick and then get some acetone or lacquer thinner or something and try to soak whatever that is in that wood and just kind of bring it out. So I'll probably end up doing that. I was kind of disappointed that those yoga ball balloon things didn't blow up. They just like blew holes and ripped and stuff like that. That was kind of disappointing. I was hoping I could get a big, like, I don't know, like when you blow a fuel tank up with an air hose. I mean, those are cool. So, cool and dangerous. So I'm probably gonna sand that really quick, apply some, I'll probably start with lacquer thinner. Do some lacquer thinner today, and then tomorrow I'll try clear and then see what happens. If the clear is smooth, like it should be, then I'll be okay. If not, I'll sand it again, and then I'll try, because acetone is a lot more evasive than like lacquer thinner. So yeah, that's something that's gonna have to happen to make that floor actually kind of come out and look decent. So yeah, the rest of the floor looks really good, so that's a plus. I mean, I really want to put this other coat of clear on. I just have to wait to fix that spot, because once the second coat of clear happens, it'll be done. And I don't really want to be fixing spots because you can kind of see where you fix it, but I mean, it'll be less noticeable with the clear, especially with such a light wood in such a small room. So I just cleaned up this out here a little bit, and I mean, it probably doesn't look too clean to you guys, but it was just full of all the random stuff that I kept, like all the trash that I kept getting out of my house, like when I was doing the floors and everything, like sandpaper and all that stuff. So pretty much the house is all the way clean. I'm gonna take that bar out to the garage as well as those, and then yeah, I just need to go really quick because somebody's gonna come look at the house at 2 to 3. So I'll go do some stuff, and then I'll come back and sand that spot and lacquer thinner it, and then maybe recoat it after I lacquer thin it, and then tomorrow I'll see what really happens with all that. But yeah, it's kind of nice having the house cleaned up. The garage is almost cleaned up. There's not very much in it. All that's really in there is a couple KA blocks, a valve seat grinder, or a valve grinder, not a seat grinder. Well, yeah, there is a seat grinder out there as well. I put all that, this is all the trash I pretty much have accumulated. So I need to take that to the dump. And then, I mean, yeah, it's coming along. It's definitely almost, it's getting really close to being finished. The basement, it's pretty much all the way cleaned out. I mean, actually, I don't think there's anything in the basement that I really need to take out of it. It's all like, there's some ceiling stuff. That room I might drywall. There's a lot of trash from that. Just old plaster and stuff laying on the floor. So I just need to put that in a garbage bag, and then probably drywall it. If I end up doing that, I probably won't, but if I end up doing it. And then, yeah, I mean, it's definitely a lot cleaner than it was. I mean, It's really nice now. I wish it was kind of this nice the whole time I lived here. I mean, it was just kind of always, I mean, the kitchen was really nice because me and my dad redid the kitchen, but the rest of the house was kind of, the wood floors were always meh. And then, I mean, it just, I just got finished painting it, and then this door was always pretty, it was like an old door, so it always leaked. The front door still leaks quite a bit, but yeah. And then I had like a really like crappy thermostat before, so that was a plus, upgrading that. And then the fireplace was never done. So man, I've done all kinds of stuff. I wish I would have lived here with a fireplace so I could have had fires, and I'm gonna figure that out. But my new house I build, definitely gonna have a fireplace, and it's probably gonna be a little excessive, but it will be awesome. So look forward to that. I don't know when it's gonna happen, but I need to find a piece of land, and I need to find, I don't know, I need a lot of brick for it. So I'll definitely have a lot of fire brick into it, and that stuff. And then I'll probably just do like furnace cement all the way up it. And yeah, it's definitely gonna be, it's gonna be a furnace, because it's gonna be big. Just know it's gonna be big. But I'm gonna keep cleaning some stuff up. There's not very much stuff. Oh, another thing, I was just talking about this yesterday in the live stream, or maybe it was in my video. I was looking for this, and look what I found. It was sitting in a drawer. So I'm gonna take that home today, and then I'll have it, because I've been needing it. Then, I don't know, I just have to finish getting all these, and pretty much all it is tools and like mail. All my mail that has like my name and stuff on it, I shred and stuff. So, I mean, all that is just like that, some sanding disc, and then that whole thing is just mail. I hate, and most of it's just junk mail, because they send you stuff and has your name on it, and it has all this other stuff in it, and then, I don't know, you just shred it. So, but I don't have a shredder here right now, so I've just been throwing it in that pile. But, yeah, I'm gonna clean some more stuff up, and then leave, and then come back, and then do some stuff with the floors, and then go to the shop, and then you guys will see this video today. Tried acetoning that spot and putting some clear on it. Pretty much did the same thing. It might be, I don't know. Looking at it right now, see how it's like, I don't think it's like purple. I think it's like just, it's not adhering is what's happening. So it makes it look milky, but it kind of does look purple. So I put some acetone on it, and I think a few spots are actually taking, but I mean, I'll probably have to come tomorrow and see what it looks like. I'm sure it'll look like, I'm sure I'll need sanded down again, but maybe the thing about using acetone is I don't want to get it on anything else but this, because they'll pretty much ruin the clear. So I think what's gonna happen is tomorrow, well, since it looks like that's probably gonna do the same thing, tomorrow I'm going to come and just really hit it with a good coat of acetone to hopefully pull out whatever's in the wood, and then I could hopefully get it to adhere, because it's definitely not adhering right now. So it's kind of disappointing. This is like the one spot on the floor that really needs to be fixed. I mean, it's the only spot on the floor that's not cooperating, but I'll figure it out. I'm sure I am going to. I just need to get it done, because the longer that takes, I can't do the second coat of clear, and I can't do the trim because the clear's not done. So hopefully tomorrow, I don't know, hopefully tomorrow I can sort it out and get it to work, so I can get the clear all done and the trim. And that's all I'm really waiting. So that's the video for today. I, you know, kind of disappointed in the whole floor situation, trying to get that spot fixed. I think I may have come up with a way to fix it. Maybe we'll see what happens. I mean, I tried the acetone. It kind of, I don't know if it kind of fixed it. I might try it again. I'll look at the video and then see when I'm editing it. But if it did something, I might go ahead and do it again and try to actually get it cleaned with the acetone. But it kind of looked like it discolored the wood almost, and that's what some people said would probably happen. But I'm okay with that as long as the clear sticks. So thanks for watching. Comment below, and see you tomorrow.